met Buzz Aldrin once when he was so drunk and everyone was calling him Buzz. That's pretty funny. Also, real quick, who was that? Can you name a movie for me? He's an astronaut. Right. Just came back. Right. Anyway, y'all, we gotta start doing things. I love not knowing. Walked on the moon. One needle. It's hard to be an engaged streamer and remember trivia. Exactly. My favorite actor was Aldrin. I could have just said, who is that? And then not added, what movie is he in? And then I would have been fine. It's giving chicken nuggets and waffle fries. Yep. I need to stop. In my girl's defense, Buzz has done multiple cameos. See, he is an actor. He is a credited actor. This is your redemption story. Thank you. See, I wasn't that far. Alright, I'm gonna get up now, and then we're gonna do... Does your rug carver have a name? It could be Buzz. Dude, do we name our rug carver Buzz? Oh, what's his last name? Do that. Okay. I'll have to get like a piece of tape or something, or like maybe one of those label makers, and put his name on there. Ooh, this blue is beautiful. What do you think of your square? Could you do a teal heart and then fill in the outside with black? I can definitely... These squares are going to look really interesting to you. Oh, it's going to look mad in the best way. Rug for a mad woman. A mad... What do you think of your square? Josh, you're not here right now. Understandable, because, you know, you're on the other side of the earth. Pretty sure we all remember you wanted something. But I was thinking, instead of doing like 2 rolls of red, like doing all the different colors of the rainbow, I was thinking of 1 like strand of red combined with 1 strand of orange for a little bit, and then we'll do 1 strand of orange combined with 1 strand of yellow for a little bit, and then you get the picture. I was thinking red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, but that's a lot of rethreading. It really is. Ends up being 11 lines if you do it that way. 11 rethreads. Wow. And then 23 lines. You'd essentially have to... Paradox's idea is awesome. Okay, I think we're gonna go... we're gonna go big. We're gonna do Paradox's idea, because honestly, I really like the way she wrote it out. You know, the R/R, R/O. I don't know why, but that like did something to my brain and made me be like, okay, Good luck with that. Thank you. Thank you. I like a challenge, honestly. I think that's what it is like, at first I was like, I should probably do that, like put some limits to this. But I like a challenge, and also once I like picture something and I like how it looks in my mind, I have to know what it looks like in real life. So I have Mew square in rainbow colors. Okay, that's my limit. Okay, yellow seems to be the middle. Got a little curve there, and that's okay. Ta-da! Wow, that is really cool. I'm glad we went for this, and it wasn't so bad. It's really pretty. Josh, again, I know you're not here, but you might be watching this in the future, and I hope that we did your rainbow square just. Everyone say hello to Bob. Everybody's memory while I wave around a box cutter. You better listen. I'm putting this because this does have glue on it already, but what I'm thinking for the cherry one is to cut it down without gluing the, and then we'll glue the back once it's on the table. It's down. Whoa. Nope, it's not. Ta-da! Obviously, it's kind of hard to hold up. But here it is. It's so cute! It is so freaking cute. You're so brave for not gluing it first. Yeah, I don't know. I think it'll be fine. Which I think this is Lady's square. Fuzzy purple square. This is one that we just did. This is Ignited, right? Ignited Phoenix is square. Color's ridiculous. Wait, who was this? Kim, right? Wait, let me look. Oh my god. For a second I was like, whoa, is it crazy? Cute! And we've got this one, which, was this one? It was the peacock blue and purple. This is like really pretty as well. Look at this. Or it could go like this. So good. I love it. Beautiful. I hope you like your square, Josh, because beautiful color. Delicious. If I may. The green in real life is much more like slime green than it is like a blue green where my camera is trying to tell you that it is. Very pretty. Accidental Minecraft square, which I love as well. The teal one. It was I think the third one we've done. So it went Paradox, Jenna is pink, and then who was this one? Was that Katie? Possibly. Katie did first. The most perfect bubblegum Kirby pink. Katie, this is your one, which obsessed with it. It's almost like pink and purple static in the middle. The most beautiful lavender. I freaking love lavender. I think lavender is my favorite color. Yo, look at this stack of squares. I'm so excited to cut this one down. Get over here. Just stub my toe on this freaking block. Cement block. Ooh, she heavy. Da 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 da. Wow. Dude. It almost like doesn't look real. Wow, it's so cute. Yo, shut up. I love this one. Oh my god. Let's put it on the floor real quick, because this one has glue on the back. Wow, isn't that cute? It's a freaking grass. Wow, looking at it on the freaking floor is ridiculous. Squish the moss, please. Can definitely squish the moss. Oh my god. I know that the focus is on. I just want it to focus, you know? I'm sorry about the little bars, but wow, I'm trying to give you a tour. Yeah, right? Oh my god, I love this so much. Can you imagine this, like, in your house? Okay. And then, oops, we'll be able to use the other side of the card design that I decided to scrap. This is like the perfect size for the 3x3, hopefully. I think if I turn it this way, then it will not go to waste. I think I have enough time to do the experiment, and I'm pretty sure the experiment is going to be fine. Get my thoughts in order. I did forget to buy gloves, so we are going to be spreading this. Oh, we're not doing the glue yet, because we're gonna, well, we are gonna do a different glue. Hot glue. To hot glue these edges down. And also, I feel like I've been buying so much stuff lately for the stream in general. Tomorrow, I have my second monitor coming in, because since I wanted to do a game stream on Friday, I was trying to set up a scene for that. And then I realized that when you have a game open, it's obviously full screen. And so I can't really set up an OBS scene with a game on. And I can't set it up without the game on. You know what I'm saying? I've done it too much though, so I'm not going to do that. Is that Robert's? It's not. I've switched over to a latex, like a liquid latex glue from All Things Effie. And what's really cool about this one is that it kind of has like very little smell, which I really needed, you know, because I live in an apartment and I don't want to, you know, use smelly things. I love that you're streaming on Twitch. Thank you for coming in. I'm super happy that I finally did this. That it's finally happening. And you came in on quite the big important day, because we finally just cut down the rugs that we've been working on, and I'm working on backing them. So I'm just gonna lightly lay that on and make sure that everywhere is covered. And what's super nice about like using this kind of glue and not like a spray glue, the spray glues get so friggin' tacky. And the moment, oh, what happened? Anonymous gifter Gave out a community sub. Wow, thank you so much, Anonymous. Y'all love the bats? I thought that was pretty cute. So yeah, I'm gonna start pressing it in the middle and kind of pressing it outward so that everything is nice and flat. Look how beautiful this is working! Did anybody think? Look at that, stunning perfection. No spray glue was used in the making of this rug. I am so relieved. Yeah, I'm done using spray adhesive. Same. Because this cut out an entire step. I'm so freaking jazzed about this, y'all. It's off. Or I suppose we could flip it over now and then cut the excess off like that. Let's do that. Because it's gonna glue nicely if it's laying nice and flat. Look at this beautiful rug. Hot gluing of the edges to make sure that they're like perfectly secured. Once the liquid adhesive has dried, ta-da! Isn't she lovely? Looking forward to Friday? Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing y'all on Friday. Alright, y'all. Thank you for another fantastic stream. I'm like so jazzed. I'll see y'all Friday, hopefully, with a really exciting stream. I'm so excited to do this stream on Friday. Same time, same place.